quality time together. That?
Nothing? It wasn't a sneeze, if that's what you're thinking.
Are you okay, Misery?
Of course. I wouldn't be here if I was sick or anything. You can't hijack this train. I think I've got what the bunnies got.
It's a bit late for games.
This cold is wearing me down to a nub. If anybody needs me, I'll be in the washroom.
Bunny and Doom are getting along
It's been... If anybody should be holding a grudge, it would be me.
Not at all.
Seasonal yamween allergy.